Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to play Reckless Love on keyboard. Begin by finding middle C, then map the chorus melody to the right hand, while the left hand holds simple triads. Practice each hand separately until accuracy improves, then combine hands at a very slow tempo. Use short daily sessions and a metronome to build steady timing, and always finish by playing through the chorus for confidence and flow. Start by identifying the song key and marking the chorus progression on paper so your hands remember the map. Play each chord slowly, focusing on clean transitions between changes and keeping your fingers close to the keys. Add inversions where possible to reduce hand movement and maintain a flowing accompaniment. Gradually reintroduce fuller voicings once the basic shapes are comfortable and natural under both hands while singing along lightly. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. It really helps. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker is great for playing backing tracks, setting metronome timers, and hands-free control while you practice, so it's a handy companion for keyboard players. Check the description for the link and other deals, grab one if you want, and now let's get back to the video. Work on rhythm by counting beats aloud and tapping your foot to keep steady time while you play. Emphasize dynamic contrast by bringing the melody forward in the chorus and playing softer in supporting sections to create emotional shape. Practice difficult measures in short loops and gradually increase tempo only when you remain accurate. Record a practice take to hear balance and make small adjustments to tone and timing for a musical performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.